like art. I enjoy drawing in my free time. I'm mindful while mixing my colors and applying it to the canvas. I notice the roughness of the canvas and the softness of the brushes that I use. Making art takes a lot of patience and precision. Making a finished piece takes a lot of time, but when it is finished, you'll have a product to be proud of. You have to be very mindful while putting the paint on the canvas because you can't get rid of a mistake once it's put down. Just like how you select different brushes for different strokes, you have to pick a different mindset than normal for when you draw. Distractions are everywhere, you can't get rid of all of them, so you just have to be mindful about what you're doing and ignore the rest. You have to be very careful about what colors you mix and put onto the canvas. In some parts of the painting, you have to be more focused than other parts. Distractions come again and again. It took a lot of time and patience, but I achieved my final goal. Slowly, mindfully, and silently.